So people that are on YouTube, this is how to teach a guinea pig its name. Okay, so when a guinea pig is out of its cage, you want to get some of its favorite food, and then you call its name. Ruby. Ruby. Come here. Ruby. Ruby. So just continue doing that, and a guinea pig will do it. Will finally learn its name. So, yeah. Okay, and then I'll bring this over to here, and then I'll repeat her name again. And, this might not work because she sees her cage now. If it works, it's gonna make it cool. Ruby. 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 Come here. Ruby. Ruby May. Well, you can't do it when they're in front of the cage because they just see the cage and they want to go into the cage. So, yeah. Thanks for watching.